Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, a problem is solved on set off and carry forward of losses. Kindly watch the video till the end, like it and share and subscribe the channel. If you have any comments about the video, please put your comments in the comment box. Now, let's move to the whiteboard. It's a problem on set off and carry forward of losses. The question runs like this: from the following, let me stress this one here, from the following particulars of incomes and losses, compute the gross total income of Mr. Suresh Patil after set off of losses for the assessment year 2021. The details are like this here. Income from let out property rupees 70,000. B, income from loss from self-occupied property rupees 80,000. Income from salary rupees 40,000. Income from salary 40,000. Then D, profit from speculative business rupees 1 lakh. Then E, loss from speculative business rupees 80,000. Short-term capital gain which is given as rupees 1 lakh. Then short-term capital loss rupees 1,20,000. Long-term capital gain rupees 90,000. So now let us work out this problem here. So computation of gross total income, name of the assessee Mr. Suresh Patil, previous year 2019-20, assessment year 2021. So now let me insert the columns here. We need require 5 columns here. So first let's understand here So income from LOP is 70,000, whereas loss from SOP is 80,000. So still there will be loss of rupees 10,000. So which can be adjusted against income from salary here. So income from salary will be rupees 30,000 in this case. Then there is a profit from speculative business rupees 1 lakh, whereas a loss from speculative business is rupees 80,000. So this loss from speculative business can be easily adjusted against a profit from speculative business. Then there's a short-term capital gain and there's a short-term capital loss. So here it can be adjusted easily. Then there's a long-term capital gain here that will appear in the GTA column. So now let's work out here. So particulars, intersource, interhead, then carry forward, then GTI column. So now let us work out one by one here. So first salary head here, income from salary. So salary that we can record in the interhead column, so which is given as rupees of 40,000 here. Then the next one here, income from house property. So here in case of income from house property, we have got income from let out property less set off of loss from self occupied property. So now let us take the value here. So income from LOP is given as rupees 70,000 here, 70,000, whereas loss from SOP is given as rupees 80,000. So let us underline this one. So here we'll be having loss from house property, that is rupees 10,000. Then this loss can be adjusted. So less set off of loss from house property, that we shall take here. Let me put in the bracket so that it indicates reduction here. So now let's underline here the difference is nothing but 30,000, which is income from salary. So income from salary. Then the next one here, income from business head. So you have got profit from speculation business less loss from speculation business. So now let's take here the profit from speculation business, which is given in the problem as rupees 1 lakh less, let me put this in the bracket here, 80,000. So let us underline this one. The difference is nothing but income from business that is 20,000. Sorry, it is 20,000 here. This will be taken to the GTI column. So 20,000. Then the next head here is capital gain. Capital gains. So here we have got, we can add here long-term capital gain. Then we can add here short-term capital gain less set off of short-term capital loss. So now let's go for recording the values here. So we have got a long-term capital gain as rupees 90,000. So 90,000. Then we have got a short-term capital gain as rupees 1 lakh. So now let us take the sum of this. Let me underline here. So the sum of this will be 1,90,000 1,90,000 here. So here the short-term capital loss, which is given the problem as rupees 1,20,000. So that I will put in this bracket here. So 1,20,000. The difference is nothing but what we are going to arrive here. Capital gain. Of course, it is a short term here. Long term it will be. Long term it will be. So when it is underlined here, so the difference what we are going to arrive here, that is rupees 70,000. 70,000 here. This is also, let's underline it. So this 70,000 is taken to here. Then the total will be, so here nothing here, here also nothing, then here also nothing. So 70 plus 30, 1,20,000. So 1,20,000, this is what we are going to get in as the gross total income. So let me underline here, sorry, bold, let me make this as a bold. So this is income from salary. Then this is income from house property head. Then we will have a loss income from salary here. Then income from business. Then we have got capital gains. So this is how we need to calculate here. So let's just take one step here. So of course there are no notes required actually here, as we have considered all the things here and which is adjusted